Hello guys, it's once again March 14th, and I'm aware that this is what we have all been anticipating for more than a year, especially since the Pi network's supposed and rumored launch date is said to be today, which is March 14th. The open mainnet, which will give us a chance to convert all of our hard-earned Pi coins into fiat money, is what we are all currently anticipating. The Pi Core team has put a lot of effort into this project, and since we are all aware that everything is already in place, we all want to hear that the main network is now available so we can proceed to trading our beloved Pi network coins. Many pioneers around the world have been anticipating this day, and many people are already celebrating the Pi Day. What will therefore happen to the Pi network coin after March 14th? We all anticipate receiving some positive news from the Pi Core team soon. They've already promised to address the wider public soon. So I'm going to say to you folks right now to wait for the Pi Core team address and remain glued to your phones and kindly support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell, so get updated whenever there is a new information on Pi network and cryptocurrency at large. This channel have resumed its daily giveaway of 30 Pi coins. To be the lucky winner, simply comment Pi network to the moon with the rocket emoji. Good luck to the winner, guys. You obviously don't want to miss out on this, though I'm going to advise you people to keep your calm and to wait patiently for the core team's update. Yeah, I think we will shortly go live and start exchanging our Pi network coins for goods and services. I'm aware that some of us have massively contributed to the initiative by encouraging others to sign up for the platform, and that some of us already have more than 2,000 Pi coins in their wallets. Know that you are already a millionaires. I am stating this with good reason, as all indications shows that the Pi network will be successful and will make a lot of individuals very rich. The Pi Core team will shortly provide us with very critical information regarding the next stage of the Pi network. Even though I could have told you, but I think it would have been wiser to wait for the Pi Core team to disclose it first themselves, and for those of you who haven't completed your KYC. You also don't need to worry because the Pi Core team has a special upgrade and also a good update for you, so if you don't want to lose out on the information, stay glued to your phones. Watch this entire video and do all the necessary things that are expected of you. All I can tell you about the price of the Pi network coin is that it will surely be mind-blowing, exceeding all our expectations. Because the coin might be so expensive, another thing we all should not shy away from is, what if the Pi network coin does not launch today? Though pioneers may be heartbroken and really dissatisfied if this doesn't happen, as we can't wait another year since we all have been mining this coin since 2018, which is 5 years ago. And as of today, March 14th, it will officially launch as anticipated. All I will do now is to advise you to exercise patience and wait for the message the Pi Core team will provide to us. I only hope that we hear good news from them. I'm sure we're all thrilled that if the Pi Core team confirms going live and also listing on exchanges, all pioneers will be really happy and start exchanging their Pi coins for goods. We are all undoubtedly looking forward to that. Do you feel prepared for March 14th? If so, keep calm and let's all wait for the core team announcement. The open mainnet is expected and rumored to launch today, which is March 14th. Thus, everyone is looking forward to this day. The Pi network coin is going to be quite expensive. Since the Pi network's debut in 2019, a lot has changed. It has been a triumph for the blockchain digital platform, which was created to give regular people a taste of the Bitcoin experience. Yet there have been some uneasy thoughts among cryptocurrency fans about whether the global consensus value of $314,159 for a Pi coin is practical ever since the pioneers came up with it. The Pi network's creators passionately believe in the value of the cryptocurrency Pi coin. They came to the conclusion that one Pi coin should be worth $314,159. Its value is based on the assumption that the pioneers are committed to making sure that the Pi network realizes its potential as a significant player in the cryptocurrency market. Pioneers' justification for sticking with the $314,159 per Pi coin global consensus value is based on a number of factors. Why pioneers continue to cling to the $314,159 global consensus value, GCV, per dollar Pi. Picoin pioneers wanted a high price, since they believed this would be their big discovery and make them as wealthy as Elon Musk. Many now feel they have actual power thanks to Pi Network, a decentralized application, and they believe it will be easy to fulfill this admirable ideal. Democrats are much more likely to support this course of action than support the alternative, due to its enormous user base. Pi Network often achieves any value for its coin. Pioneers work hard for years in the mines, and they want to be compensated well for it. Bitcoins were only worth $40 at the time, however, reached out to the Bitcoin discussion group and publicly traded his Bitcoins to anyone who would buy him these pizzas because the cryptocurrency wasn't yet a reality in the business sector. You and I would both agree that these two pizzas qualify as the most expensive pizzas ever given the current value of Bitcoin. My point is that in 2010, when a Bitcoin was worth $40, he had 100 Bitcoin available for purchase. The lesson of the tale is to profit while you can. For those of you who believe that this quotation from the Pi Core team was a popular one, I have some news to share. Prior to the start of the more serious mining sector, it was rewarding to earn and get as much as you could. They've converted it to this mine before the subsequent drop as a result of you. When is the best moment to trade my coins? And should I exchange some or all of them? Should be the true questions you should be asking. The purpose of the Mined Pi lockup feature is to increase the value of the Pi network, reinforce the coin within the network, and reward you for doing so. You will be able to access the enclosed Mainnet Pi ecosystem, where pioneers with actual Pi in their wallets can use their Pi to purchase goods and services once you have gone over the Mainnet checklist, which must be completed before your Pi's transferable balance can be added to the Mainnet migration queue, the Pi ecosystem, where you can utilize Zero Pi programs to access the web and spend Pi on goods and services whose back-ends communicate with the Pi mainnet. Create a Pi wallet. Once your Pi account has been transferred to the Mainnet blockchain, your Pi transferable balance will be sent to your Pi wallet, which is located inside the Pi browser. Verify your Pi wallet. As the Pi network does not keep a record of your wallet passphrase, which is required to access your wallet, your Pi wallet is non-custodial in nature, hence losing your wallet. Passphrase is like losing your complete wallet and all of your money. You must input your wallet passphrase in this field in Step 3 to prove that you are familiar with it. Please keep the passphrase safely stored away to ensure that no one else has access to it and that you don't forget it or lose it. Commit to the lockup configuration. Before moving your Pi to the mainnet, you can start mining more quickly by committing to a binding Pi lockup setting. Your lockup mining reward will increase as the duration and percentage of your total Pi that you select for your lockup settings increase. After the migration, there will be a 14-day waiting period during which the pioneer's Pi balance in their primary net wallet won't be available for transfer. This gives the network time to make any necessary course corrections or additional checks before clearing the transfer at the end of the waiting period. As soon as that happens, the pioneer will be allowed to utilize their Pi inside the present confined Pi and maintenance. Finally, since its inception, the Pi network has significantly expanded in both size and enthusiasm. We're ecstatic for the Pi community to develop into a fully functional and thriving ecosystem on the Mainnet blockchain. Now that Mainnet migration to the contained network has started, that's all for now. Kindly support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell. Thank you for watching.